A switching power supply is a type of power supply device that uses electronic switching devices to control the switching state of the current and achieve the adjustment and stability of the output voltage of the power supply. Shenzhen Huisun Power's switch mode power supply has the following advantages. High efficiency. Our efficiency can reach over 80%, and some high voltage outputs have an efficiency of over 90%. Stability. Our switch mode power supply is designed with a voltage stabilizing circuit, which can maintain stable output in the event of input voltage fluctuations or load changes. Flexibility. Each model of our power supplies can have many different output voltages and currents, such as 5V1000V and 2A300A, to meet different application requirements. Our power supply output power ranges from 50W to 10 kW. Miniaturization. Our power supplies tend to be smaller in size, making them easy to carry and install, and saving on shipping costs for customers. Protection function. Our switching power supplies usually have protection functions such as overload, overheating, and short circuit to improve the reliability of the system. Wide application. Our switching power supplies are widely used in various fields such as computers, aerospace, intelligent equipment, communication equipment, household appliances, medical equipment, industrial automation, LED lighting, etc. For more information or to have any questions, please subscribe and contact us.